CAADP is the Comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Program, and it is intended to catalyze progress in the agriculture sector. And if you look at CAADP goals, they themselves are actually directly responding to SDG goals. Within CAADP, African Union member states have agreed on specific action areas to accelerate progress in the agriculture sector, and the common position on food systems that was developed in 2021 actually is very much an SDG driven process, and therefore CAADP indeed is very relevant to food systems transformation. There has been several CAADP biennial reviews that have been done, and what we see across the different reviews is that there has been progress on some of the indicators. However, we have not been able to meet the targets that had been set. And so the lessons that we have learned by not meeting the targets will help in the delivery of the Kampala Declaration to make sure that we can address those challenge areas that can help us accelerate progress. When we look at the 5 impact areas of the CGIAR Research and Innovation Strategy to 2030, these are very strongly aligned to CAADP goals on the continent, and therefore CGIAR research is very well positioned to contribute to CAADP goals, and in fact it is now the direction in which CGIAR is taken to be much more deliberate about delivering on CAADP goals as part of the work that we are doing at country level and at regional level as well. The science program on better diets and nutrition uses national food systems transformation pathways as the entry point for our research to generate solutions that can help countries deliver on their pathways and roadmap. And since CAADP is part of delivering on food systems transformation at country and regional levels, we are therefore positioning ourselves as better diets and nutrition to contribute towards those goals. And we have specific intentions to connect to CAADP at country and at regional and continental level as well. I think the limited amount of livestock mentioned is an artifact of who had submitted side event applications. Because if you look at the Kampala Declaration Strategy and Action Plan, livestock is articulated quite strongly as an integral part of Africa's food systems transformation. In fact, in the Kampala Declaration, one of the key goals is to eradicate a disease of small ruminants called PPR, and this eradication of the disease will depend very much on a vaccine that was developed by ILRI and other partners.